Hi, welcome to my channel Srinivas Nature Clicks. The nest which you are watching are definitely one of the nature's wonders. Architect is the Baya weaver bird. In Telugu it is called Kijigadu. With long hanging nest, bulbous chambers and narrow tubular entrance, it fascinates everybody. You can see the male Baya weaver bird has built the nest and try to attract the female. The two Baya weaver birds, they have built the nest and they are inviting female Baya weaver birds. Female Baya weaver birds almost look like a sparrow and not colorful. Baya weaver birds are with yellow color head. They looks very attractive. This is a different type of Baya weaver bird. It is called black-breasted weaver bird or Bengal weaver. As you can see, the breast is black with yellow nape, and these birds typically prefers different type of habitation such as bajra, jowar plantation, whereas Baya bird prefer to build nest on a bigger trees. India is blessed with lot of different varieties of birds, and hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, the female bird almost looks like a sparrow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.